Today I've got some mind-blowing news for you. You know Nvidia, the powerhouse behind those incredible graphics cards we all love? Well, they've just done it again. Yes, this is going to be the latest jaw-dropping innovation that's about to send shockwaves through the industry. Nvidia's new AI Perfusion. Before we dive into the specs, let me give you a little background. Nvidia recently unleashed a wave of research papers, around 20 of them, showcasing their latest advancements in generative AI. And this thing really caught some eyes in the industry. But today we're going to focus on 4 particular gems out of the 20 that got every tech fanatic buzzing. I hope you're one of them. Nvidia has gone above and beyond by teaching AI to learn even tennis skills from good old broadcast videos. You heard that right. They're turning those epic NBA games and intense tennis matches into virtual training grounds for our AI buddies. Now this ain't your average motion capture stuff. Nvidia takes it to a whole new level. They extract precise data from those videos and slap it onto a 3D character with mind-blowing accuracy. No expensive motion capture equipment is needed here. They're making it accessible and affordable for everyone. But here's the real thing. Animations they generate are so lifelike. You'll think that you're watching the actual players in action. It's like having a virtual tennis coach who can mimic the moves of the pros. Want to learn that killer backhand? No problem. AI Perfusion has got your back, quite literally. It's like having an AI tennis sensei guiding you through every step of the way. Alright, let me give you a better idea. Imagine that you're playing a virtual tennis match against AI opponents who move and react just like the real deal. It's a virtual Wimbledon showdown right in your living room. You'll be swinging that virtual racket like a pro. But wait, there's more. Nvidia isn't stopping at just tennis skills. No, they're taking it to the next level. They're using this technology to create realistic 3D characters that can mimic any kind of movement. From dance routines to martial arts, you name it. AI Perfusion can do it. It's something like having a digital clone that can bust a move or throw a punch with a scary precision. And here's the best part. All of this is possible thanks to good old broadcast videos. Who would have thought that watching sports could turn you into an AI training master? So the next time you're glued to your TV screen, watch those pro athletes dominate the field. Just remember that you could be learning their skills too. Nvidia's AI Perfusion is breaking barriers and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're taking something as simple as a broadcast video and turning it into a powerful tool for learning and creativity. It's like turning your living room into a high-tech training center or an epic virtual playground. Now let me take you to another thing. Have you heard about Wonder Dynamics? These guys are also in the motion capture game, but Nvidia's research paper takes it to a whole new level. Wonder Dynamics may have caught our attention, but Nvidia has blown our minds. The finely tuned version of motion capture is like a symphony of awesomeness. If Nvidia releases this baby at scale, it'll revolutionize the gaming industry and sectors that rely on motion capture data. But wait, there's still more. Nvidia doesn't stop at motion capture. They're like a never-ending buffet of mind-blowing research papers. Let me introduce you to Locke's Rank 1 editing for text-to-image personalization. I know it may sound like a mouthful, but trust me, it's worth it. In this paper, Nvidia introduces a compact little powerhouse of a model that can create personalized images like nobody's business. And get this, it only takes one image as input. With just a single image and a sprinkle of text, Perfusion works its magic and creates visuals that will make your jaw drop. It's like having your own personal Picasso at your fingertips, ready to create art that is uniquely you. That means it's all yours. And the best part? It's super efficient. You can train it in just 4 minutes, which is basically the time it takes to make a cup of coffee. I mean, that is seriously fast when you look back at what we've been having in the past few years. Now, Perfusion doesn't just spit out generic images. It has the power of personalization. You can customize and personalize those images to your heart's content. Want to see a table covered in snow? There you go. And let me tell you, the level of detail and quality in these images is mind-boggling. They're so realistic you'll want to reach out and touch them. I mean, who needs a real snow-covered table when you can have a Perfusion-generated one, right? Now, on the other side, Perfusion is consistent. No more hit-or-miss results. It delivers the goods every single time. You can rely on it like your trusty sidekick, always there to make your images shine. No more errors and mistakes. Nvidia just doesn't stop at snow-covered tables. No, they take things to a whole new level of awesomeness. They combine different concepts and create mind-blowing outputs. And let me tell you, Perfusion outshines the competition like a superstar on a red carpet. Nvidia's model beats them all, achieving tasks with excellence and leaving others in the dust. And when talking about personalization, Perfusion does this with the help of a technology called one-shot personalization. You can take that single image and transform it into something completely unique while still maintaining the essence of the original. Nvidia has big plans for Perfusion. They're bringing it to the masses through their Picasso cloud service. Can you imagine the possibilities? Design customization and personalization will never be the same again. Want a custom-made logo for your business? Perfusion's got your back. Need a unique image for your social media? Perfusion will make it pop. The impact of this technology will be felt across industries, from gaming to marketing and everything in between. You can just imagine what's about to roll. Now let's shift our focus to another mind-boggling innovation from Nvidia. My 3D portraits. See this? From just a single image, Nvidia's one-shot method can create jaw-droppingly realistic 3D representations in real time. But the level of detail and accuracy achieved is mind-blowing. But wait, there's even more awesomeness to it. Nvidia recently blew our minds with a live demo showcasing real-time RGB to 3D video using just a phone and an RTX 490 graphics card. Can you believe that? We're talking about video calls with enhanced depth and realism. While the specific applications are still up in the air, one thing's for sure. Immersive experiences and interactive communication are on the horizon. Get ready to have video calls that make you feel like you're in the same room as your buddies, even if you're miles apart. And let's not forget about Nvidia's breakthrough in simulating real hair in games. Hair. It's always been a challenge to get those luscious locks right in virtual worlds, but Nvidia's got our backs once again. They combine geophysics and AI techniques to teach neural networks how to predict real-world hair movement. The result? Tens of thousands of high-resolution hairs that move and flow realistically, all in real time. Alright, now we went through all this new tech, and we've got one last thing in our hands. Neural textures. Any guesses? They found a way to compress textures using neural networks, and guess what? They managed to do it without sacrificing quality or increasing file size. You can call it the Houdini of texture compression. In a comparison between neural textures and BCX textures, both files were around 3 megabytes, but Nvidia's neural textures delivered up to 16 times more quality. It's like getting a flavor explosion in every pixel. Creating mind-blowing visuals without breaking a sweat. It's all about getting the most bang for your computational buck, and Nvidia is winning the game. Nvidia's annual conference on computer graphics is just around the corner, and you better believe they're going to blow our socks off with their mind-boggling presentations. This event is like the Super Bowl of computer graphics, where Nvidia takes center stage and unveils its latest and greatest creations. But we've got to wait for it. Nvidia isn't just pushing the boundaries of what's possible in computer graphics. They're completely rewriting the entire rulebook. Their relentless pursuit of innovation is like a never-ending quest to make our visual experiences mind-blowing in every way. From gaming to communication, these guys are at the forefront, revolutionizing how we see and interact with the digital world. What do you think about it? Do drop your views in the comments section below. We'll meet again in another episode soon. Until then, stay tuned.